Hey guys, so happy new year to everybody. And so this is gonna be the first vlog of the year. I'm so excited. So right now I'm on my way to pick up some wings. Today you guys are gonna spend a day with me. It's like half the day because it's already like 4 p.m. We actually woke up like at I woke up like at 1:30. Like I don't know what happened. Maybe because yesterday like I was doing stuff, I didn't rest, so I had to sleep in today. Like my body was like, we're gonna sleep until 1:30. Like I was about to wake up like at 2 p.m. I was shocked. I was like, damn. We woke up like at 2. Lupe, my sister's right here with me. She's always driving, you guys know that. But there will come a day when I start driving. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go pick up some wings, because I was craving wings and she was craving wings. So it's like raining, that's why you guys hear the rain. So I'm gonna show you guys the rain before it stops raining so you guys could see how beautiful the rain looks. Like I love how relaxing it looks. Like when it rains right here, like I always get relaxed. Like I feel like taking a nap after the rain. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Did the troque honk at us?
No,
Oh,
it's the road.
the road honked at us then? We're standing out in the rain. I guess people just like standing out in the rain. That's what I noticed. Like when it rains right here, like people are freaking like still standing outside. Maybe they want to enjoy the rain, huh?
Yeah. For the days that we get it.
The days that we get it. We get a lot of rain out here, actually, Lupe, in Bakersfield. But we don't get no snow.
That's good.
Low-key,
They wouldn't know how to act.
I do want some snow.
They wouldn't know how to act in the snow.
Low-key, I do want some snow to build a snowman, but rain is good. We're on our way. We're gonna go to Oswell, to the Oswell wing stop because that was the closest one.
Dang, there's a lot of traffic.
I think it's gonna be raining all day, probably.
It was like 62% rain. It's slower right here. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Are you hungry already?
Yeah.
Ready for those boneless wings?
Kids walking up the divider.
They are? Maybe they just got out of school, huh?
Yeah.
I haven't been to the Oswell wing stop in a while.
Ooh, long time. Years.
Since it took like over an hour to make our order.
Dude, we were there for like almost 2 hours.
But hopefully they made it. Well, they already made it, huh? Because you ordered on Uber.
No, we ordered on the website.
Oh, yeah.
The Chinese food, we
Uber.
ordered it on Uber Eats for pickup.
Oh, so is the order ready though?
Chinese food, yeah.
But what about for wings?
The wings, I don't know. It doesn't tell you if it's ready or not.
Oh.
Ready or not, here I go. We're gonna go pick it up.
Alright.
It should be ready because
We're like 5 minutes away.
we took like 30 minutes at the AM PM.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We were at the
Yeah, 'cause
AM.
I don't know. It's like the time just.
Passes by slow there.
I don't know. They don't have a lot of selections for drinks.
The Quick and Out. That gas station's called the Quick and Out.
Mm-hmm.
I barely noticed.
Is it even open? Oh yeah.
It is open, but I'm like, what? The Quick and Out. In and out. Quick and Out.
Oh, it's fast, I guess. It's like faster. But quick and out. Like the gas war.
So we'll talk to you guys when we get there. We still have 4 minutes. We're like by Oregon Street.
Past Niles.
So we're here to the Oswell Wingstop. We're here. It's still raining.
Oh damn it. I should have parked in front. Pero ya me vine pa acá.
I'm pretty sure everybody got wings right now because it rained.
Just park right here.
Alright, so Lupe's gonna go get it. Right, Lupe?
Yeah. You can
I'm gonna stay in the car.
You can wait any. Let me get wet.
We have an umbrella.
Should I take it?
Yeah, take the umbrella.
It's not raining that much.
Take the umbrella. She's getting the umbrella.
Hey, wait.
Alright. See, you're not gonna get wet. There she goes. She's not gonna get wet. She got the umbrella. Lupe's back. 4 minutes later. They got our order ready fast, huh?
Fast. It's been ordered for like 40 minutes.
Oh.
It's fine. It was next. What?
So
Everybody loves wings every day.
was it packed?
Yeah. They have a lot of orders.
Oh. Vámonos.
My mom's order, I ordered it after that, like 20 minutes after I ordered this one, so. And it's been ready.
Alright, so we just gotta go pick it up then.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go pick up my mom's order. It's gonna be at the Mandarin Express. It's like a Chinese place. It's the one that we went to in my thrift store vlog. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. But right now we're gonna go. We're gonna go pick it up. She's gonna go pick it up. She's gonna get off.
You're getting off.
No.
You're getting off for this one.
No, it's gonna be like, hi, my name is Guadalupe. My name's not even Guadalupe.
Pick up for Guadalupe?
The Chinese food is really good there, and it's affordable, and it's really, really good. And they put a lot of food on your plate, so that's why we like it. We liked it better than China Bistro because they're fast and the Chinese food is really good. Highly recommend this place. So right now it started to rain again, and I'm gonna show you guys the way. I love the rain. It's gonna rain probably like all day. I don't know. I'm gonna be checking the Weather Channel. It's bumpy. It's bumpy. Wait, I haven't been here. Like, it feels like we haven't been here for a while. That's why I'm like, oh, is it this
Did we
way?
come last month?
I don't know. Last month is a long time ago.
It is actually.
Last year.
Bruh, how was it business?
Last year.
Smells so good.
Yeah. Target's right here.
Parking on the east side.
Target on the east side. Yeah.
I liked it. It was nice and clean.
Yeah, this Target's cleaner than the Ming Avenue one.
Well,
I like it. I like it because of that. I really want to come to this Spencer's right here because they barely open. The Spencer's, it's the Spencer's Cafe. It's like a breakfast place. It's really good. If you guys are in Bakersfield or ever pass by here, go. Spencer's Cafe is freaking delicious. Big plates. And then Lupita is gonna go pick up the order right here at the Mandarin Express. Lupe came back. She got the second order for my mom.
Oh, it looks so good, dude.
Does it?
Steal some from my mom.
So right now it's like 4:37 and we've gotta head home. It's like getting dark a little bit.
This one's gonna say already. You already said.
Yeah, so
So it's like
we're
at
gonna head
4:49.
home because we're hungry already, right, Lupe?
Mm-hmm.
So
21 minutes home.
So yeah, we're gonna make it there in 21 minutes, and then we're gonna eat at home. So my mom could eat too because she's waiting on her order. So I'll show you guys the way still, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the rain. It's raining hard. We're already 17 minutes away. I won't disclose my address, but we're 17 minutes away. It looks very nice. La lluvia. I can't wait to eat the wings. I'm gonna try different flavors this time, so I'm kind of excited.
We should rate them.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Rating the flavors.
Well, we never have to.
Alright, I'm down. Tomorrow's gonna be like a clear skies for sure.
I think it's gonna rain tomorrow too. Like, for a little bit.
I like how it's always clear, like after a rainy day, like the sky is blue and everything is all nice. I forgot what I was gonna say. It's not flooded yet.
I think it is.
You think it is?
It was already flooding right there by Hilltop.
Oh.
And over there by the post office.
Are you gonna take the freeway?
Yeah.
So we can get there quick, huh? Try those wings. Fire, fire.
The fries.
The season fries?
So pretty.
I know, same. After all those orders that you got of Wingstop, just smelling the wings.
Yep. So good. I can smell the mango. Did you get mango over now?
By the way, guys, I'm gonna link my sister's channel so you guys could go watch her channel too. We're upgrading 2023.
23.
We gotta get Lupe to 100 subscribers at least.
I have 71 right now.
She has to upload more.
I'm trying, guys. I don't know.
She needs to try harder though.
Yeah, I'm gonna try harder. I swear.
She gives up too easily, so make sure you guys go comment on her channel and be like, upload Lupe, post.
You're right.
We want to see more of you.
Hold myself accountable for that.
You guys heard it here. 2023, Lupe, grow your channel.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it?
Yes, sir.
Video ideas.
Yep.
Go comment video ideas.
I can record right now. Record us right now. Reading the weeks. Reading the weeks.
Sure. Behind the scenes of Lupe's channel.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, it looks so beautiful. The rain. Look at those skies. My head hit the wall. Ooh. The phone hit the window. Alright, so we still got 11 more minutes, so we'll see you guys when we get home. So guys, we're home already, so we're gonna go ahead and eat. And I'm gonna show you guys which ones we got. We're gonna check which ones are which for which flavor because we can't tell the difference because we usually only get like mild and hot, and I usually get like lemon pepper too. So, and the habanero. So that's what we got right now. So we're gonna check. So there's the fries. Fire.
You're not
Which one is which?
So these are Cajun. These are mild, and then these are mango habanero classic. The fries, and then garlic parmesan, and then we have the Hawaiian ones.
The Hawaiian ones. You wanna start with the Hawaiian ones? Those look bomb.
Yeah.